Following portion of Daytime Tri-Cities is sponsored by Herndon, Coleman, Brading, and McKee. When it comes to legal advice, the law offices of Herndon, Coleman, Brading, and McKee have solid answers to your questions. And this morning, we want to welcome attorney Hunter Barbour to Daytime to discuss a subject that a lot of people have questions about: probate. Good morning. How are you?
Morning. I'm doing well. How about
yourself? Appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
We're going to get some information out to the folks today about probate.
Sure.
What is probate?
Probate is a process of opening an estate for someone that passes away. That estate holds onto their property while we go through the process of getting it distributed to heirs. So,
and how is that property distributed?
Well, that property, it depends.
Yes.
If you have a will, it's called testate. It's going to distribute based on the terms of your will, subject to a few limitations. If you don't have a will,
right,
that's called intestate.
Okay.
And the state of Tennessee has a law that governs what happens with your stuff.
It's vitally important to have a will.
I believe it is. Yes.
And talk to me, how much harder is the process without a will?
Well, there's just a little more paperwork that goes into it. It's not super difficult. It's not super hard. The steps aren't that much different. There's just a couple more pieces of paperwork that have to go into it.
Now, where does an attorney like you come into the process?
An attorney hopefully comes into the process at the very beginning, meaning we draft your will for you. In a perfect world, that's what happens. You pass away, sadly. Your family comes to us. They say, you drafted so-and-so's will. I'd like you to administer probate. We'll file the paperwork to open probate. We'll make sure deadlines are met. We'll notify 10K or notify creditors, and then we'll close the estate as well.
And this is a whole process. An attorney can really help and guide you through this process.
Absolutely. We'll make sure that, like I just said, we'll make sure deadlines are met, notify creditors, we'll draft deeds for you.
Right.
We'll do it all for you.
Talk to me about, there's a lot of steps in this process.
There is.
I mean, I know that some of those steps, they have good reasons for all of these steps. So you just can't rush through this process. The steps have to be taken.
That's correct. You have to open the estate, you have to notify creditors, you have to notify 10K. You have to give creditors time to file a claim, you have to pay their claim if they do, and then you can file to close the estate.
How long on average is the average probate period after a person passes?
In a perfect world, absolutely perfect. Rarely happens.
Okay.
I'll put that out there. But in a perfect world, you're looking anywhere from about 6 to 8 months. I'd say on average, you're looking at a year, right around a year.
And talk to me, when folks come and talk to you about handling their probate cases, what is really the first question they really want answered for?
How long is it going to take?
Is that really the one?
How long is it going to take? Losing somebody's hard, as it is.
Yes.
And people just kind of want to have everything wrapped up pretty quickly.
And you want to encourage folks, if you're going to go through this the probate process, it is important. And we're not just saying that because you're sitting here.
Right.
It is important to have an attorney on your side.
It makes everything much easier. Yes.
All right. Hunter, we appreciate you stopping by today.
Absolutely.
Great information about probate.
Absolutely.
Folks, they've got the answers. If you've got questions, call Herndon, Coleman, Brading, and McKee right here in Johnson City. They're located right here on East Main Street. There's their number. There's their websites as well. The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by Herndon, Coleman, Brading, and McKee.